we're going to nudge a help article on a confusing page. Let's say your app has a number of different pages and views in it, and your analytics shows that users are struggling with one page kind of in particular. Maybe you're getting more support tickets about that page than normal. We're going to be proactive, and so we're going to nudge a help article so that more users can self-serve and fix their issue faster. So in our demo app, let's say our integrations page is particularly confusing. We're going to go into the command bar editor, go to nudges, create a nudge, and then there are some different template options, but we're just going to start from scratch. We'll choose the popover form factor and get it to show in the top right. Then we set the name of the nudge, integrations help, and set a title, learn how integrations work. Assuming you already have the help integration set up, you'll see your help docs listed. So we take a look and select the appropriate one. Then we set the targeting. That's who will see it and when. We're good to show to all users. We want it to only show up on the integrations page. So in this case, that's /integrations. We'll then save it, put it live, and then when we refresh our app, you can see a help doc suggested, helping users to understand what to do when they're on the page.